When I look back over my life, and I see all the things that God's done for me. Been through danger, heartache, and trouble. I thank the Lord, He's rescued me. Oh, I could have been dead and gone, but the Lord, He spared my life. Oh, yes, He did. Yes, yes, Kevin. Now I can see. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Look at me, I'm still here. And it's by the grace. Oh, y'all, it's by the grace of God. We go, oh, no, 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 oh, when I look back over my life, and I see all the things the Lord has brought me through. Yeah, been through sickness, trial and suffering, but I thank the Lord. Have I got a witness here? I thank the Lord. He's blessed me still. I could have lost the faith, and sometimes being in the church, I could have slapped somebody in their face. Some of y'all ain't saying nothing. You know you want to do it. You want to cuss somebody out. Some of y'all did, don't you? But now I can say, look at me, y'all. I'm still here.